Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, Mamushi here. Please don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can transform a simple look into an evening look. So for example, you're in the office and you decide to go out with your friends or colleagues after work for a movie or for dinner, then this is the video for you. If you're interested to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Thank you. Before we start with the makeup, I'd like to show you a few essentials that you need to have in your makeup pouch when you're going to work or when you're outside the whole day. Cleansing wipes that are safe to use on the face. Compact powder. This is my MAC compact powder. So compact powder. Since I have oily skin, I have to keep blotting papers with me. These are from Sephora and they're powdered. Hand sanitizer. I mean, even before this whole pandemic, I had this in my bag. And just some extra makeup. So for example, this palette, it's a small palette that fits into any makeup bag. I have my liquid eyeliner and my pencil eyeliner. I will show you why I have two. And some lip products. As you can see, they all fit into my makeup bag. Very handy. What I like to start with is my eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this shimmer shade. This one. And put it all over my eyelid. So you can see I didn't have any tools in my makeup bag, that's why I'm using my finger. You don't really need tools if you're transitioning from a day to night look. So this is done. Already you can see the transformation happening. But before I get rid of my eyeshadow palette, I want to highlight my face a little bit. And yes, you can use your shimmer shades to highlight your face. And I'm going to go with this shade just to add a little bit of highlighting on my face. Again, with my fingers. Again, tap and glide gently all over your face. Some on your nose, on your chin, on your forehead. Next, I'm going to take my teeny weeny eyeliner pencil and line on my waterline. This is from Prestige Cosmetics. And this eyeliner pencil is just Balm. And with this eyeliner pencil, you get like a smoky type of look, which is what I was going for. Next, my liquid eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. So what I want to do is thicken my top liner a little bit and create a wink. See the difference? So eyes and the face are pretty much done. I just want to change my lip color because I'm not feeling it to go out with. So I'm going to take my wipes. And then just gently remove the lip color. You can keep the liner if you want, but I'm going to use a different color. Before you go into any lip product, just make sure your lips are taken care of. Just use a lip balm before applying. For my lips, I'm going to use this lip liner from ELEGANCE. Lip contour. This is the shade. It's a dark maroon shade. I'm gonna use this to outline my lips. For the lips, I'm gonna use this lipstick from MAC. This is in the shade Rebel, and this is how it looks. Beautiful shade, dark maroon shade. Since I don't want it to be this dark, I'm just gonna blot it out with tissue, and this will help it last longer as well. Before we finish, I feel like my face is a little shiny, and it's not because of the highlighter. So I'm gonna take my blotting papers and just blot on my T-zone. So guys, this is the final look. Transformation from day look to evening look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And remember, don't hate, meditate. Thank you for watching. Bye.